everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial on how to make a database using the SAM that we downloaded and installed last time. So let's get started. So first and foremost, go to the file where you store the folder of the SAM and find the SAM control and open it and click the start button of the Apache and MySQL, and then go to MySQL folder and go to bin, and in the above click here and replace it with CMD. This will redirect you to the CMD. Okay, and we are now redirected to command prompt. So type the syntax MySQL space dash U for user, and then space root space dash P for password, and then click the enter. So this is now where you create your database. So type the syntax show databases to show built-in databases from the SAM. So as you can see, we have information schema, my database, MySQL, performance schema, and so on. And then create database, and then the database name, let's say for example db underscore bscs. Okay, then don't forget the semicolon. So as you can see, it is written in here that it's none. So if you can see, if we type again show databases, this will show the list of database. So to manipulate in that database, we must use the database. So type use db, so the name of the database. Okay, so the database change. Next is we have to create a table in that database. So type create table, then the table name, which is the tbl underscore students, and then you have to put the put the attributes of that table. So for example, we have the ID, and then the data type, and then the primary key. This serves as the identifier. Okay, and let's say name, and data type of the name is varchar, since let's say put the size of that varchar into 50. Another is age, so data type is int. Another attribute, let's say the birthday, the birth date, and then the data type of this attribute is date. And then lastly, let's say address, and data type of this would be varchar, and then we set the size of it into 50. Okay, and then close and semicolon. Okay, we already created a table, namely that. So to show the attributes and anything in that table, let's type the syntax describe tbl students, and this will show up. Okay, if you type the show table, this will show the list of the table in the specific database. So in here we have the db bscs database. So as you can see, there is only one table, since we only have one table created lately. select asterisk from TBL students, and so as you can see, the ID 1, okay. So this retrieve the data that we inputted lately. So let's put another data. Let's say the ID is 2 and then the name is Rover Galiaga. And so on. Okay, and then retrieve the data. So as you can see in the table, we have 2 data now. So to change the data in the table, we must update, or we must use the syntax update TBL students. Set what you want to change. For me here, I want to change the address of Rover Galiaga, so set address to, let's change it into Ipil Heights, Ipil ZSP, where the ID of Rover Galiaga is 2, where ID is 2, and then semicolon, and then enter. So as you can see, it is now updated from Poblacion to Ipil Heights. So lastly, the delete from. If you want to delete data on your table, just type the syntax delete from TBL students, or the name of your table, where, then specify what you want to delete. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.